Hi, I'm Gary. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today I'm looking at the very latest releases from Airfix, the brand new 1/48 scale Western Lysander, and the much requested second Seeking release, the HC4 Jungly. This is the first time Airfix has created a 1/48 scale Lysander, the iconic World War II reconnaissance aircraft. The kit is rated at skill level 3, has 171 parts, and when built will be 192mm long and have a span of 316mm. There are two schemes included, the first for a Mark I aircraft of number 16 Squadron RAF just before the Second World War. The second is a Mark III aircraft of number 309 Polish Fighter Reconnaissance Squadron in 1940. Among the many detailed features of this kit are two newly sculpted crew figures, a choice of single or twin rear gun mounts and open or closed canopy, deployable flaps and leading edge slats, and optional spats and bomb racks. Pre-orders are being taken for this kit, which is expected to be available in January and will retail at about £39.99. Next is the second release of the amazing 1/48 scale Seeking, this time in the commando carrying HC4 variant, affectionately known as the Jungly. This differs from the Seeking kit released last year by having a main undercarriage without flotation sponsons, new interior parts and a lengthened cabin, a mount for a GPMG machine gun, and various antennas and sensors, as well as a new engine inlet filter. It retains the ability to fold the rotors and the tail if desired. This skill level 4 kit has 289 parts, and when complete will be 460mm long, including the rotor disc of 397mm. There are four schemes included in this kit. First is for an aircraft of 846 Naval Air Squadron during its service in the Falklands War of 1982. The second is from 845 Naval Air Squadron during its service in the First Gulf War of 1991. Then there's an aircraft also of 845 Naval Air Squadron on UN duties in Croatia in 1995, and finally another 845 Naval Air Squadron aircraft, this time as seen at Royal Naval Air Station Yeovilton in 2013. This kit should be available in December and will retail at £59.99. That's it for today. Come back for more news and views from Scale Model World 2024. If you like the show, you can support the channel for free by subscribing. Hit the bell and you'll be notified of all my future content. And do remember the Imperial thumbs up on the like button below. Until I see you next time, thanks so much for watching and goodbye.